This is the chapter number 2 of the theory of the transcendent reality (TTR) regarding the physic of the existence, written by Mauro Bernardini. Now we consider the postulates used to demonstrate the TTR theory, the most important of which is the law of the symmetry of models, named also LSM, starting from which we can have all the others, i.e., model of the Aleph container, model of the points of Aleph, law structural life thought, named also law SVP, law of the conservation of the structure, named also law LCS. We define the LSM law, a behavioral model that in many situations of our three-dimensional world we see replicate itself starting from small realities up to more complex ones. As a consequence, the existential symmetries we observe in both lower and larger scale of our universe can be extended to the transcendental container of all the existences that we named Aleph. There are many examples of symmetry models recognizable in our universe. For instance, we can see electrons revolving around the atomic nucleus and, on larger scale, the planets around the Sun, the stars around the center of the galaxy, etc. Besides, we can observe the encapsulation of aggregated structures increasingly complex having similar basic behavior such as atoms, cells, internal vital organism, human body, societies, etc. We can also observe additional model of symmetry to sustain the SVP law, considering 1, 2 and 3-dimensional spaces prerogatives. We can say that one-dimensional spaces can allow only the structure components and not the ability of life or thought. Instead, the two-dimensional planes, by having an extra dimension, can allow moving prerogative that can enable the life, and, finally, the three-dimensional spaces, that, providing an additional dimension respect to planes, gives to life the unique prerogative to see its movements and getting up the self-consciousness properties. For this, it is reasonable to think that Aleph is the body that encapsulates all the symmetries available from one-dimensional spaces up to 10-dimensional ones. B. The basic properties of the three-dimensional bodies are even available for all the underdimensional spaces within Aleph, which can be existing, living, thinking, C4ing, up to C10ing. Besides, only the point of Aleph can have all these properties with his specific property C11. Finally, Aleph itself that encapsulating all these symmetries contained in its points, through its unique C12 prerogative, can be also C12ing.